So open up your morning light and say a little prayer for I. You know that if we are to stay alive and see the peace in every eye. One was 3 in the war of 44. Every telephone ring, every heartbeat stinging when she thought it was God calling her. Oh, would her son grow to know his father? I don't want to wait for our lives to be over. You know that if we are to stay alive and see the peace in every eye, I don't want to wait for our lives to be over. I want to know right now, what will it be? I don't want to wait for our lives to be over. Will it be? Yes, or will it be? I don't want to wait for our lives to be over. I want to know right now, what will it be? I don't want to wait for our lives to be over. Will it be? Yes, or will it be? Sorry. So open up your morning light and say a little prayer for I. You know that if we are to stay alive and see the love in every